What's up, donks? Welcome back to Sudoku. My name is Sudoku. Today we're doing, I'm going to call it Boogie Woogie, BoogieigooW by, looks like Bridget. Love Bridget down at the bottom. Okay, normal Sudokus apply. We have palindromes and fog. Okay. Oh boy. Normal Sudokus 1 to 9 every row, every column, every 3 by 3 box. We have palindromes, so they read forwards as they do, same forwards as backwards. So this and this will be the same digit, this and this will be the same, that and that will be the same, this and this. Like the word kayak, for example, that is a palindrome, or race car. Okay, and then fog. So these 9 digits are fogged. Okay, so I'm going to restart this, and we're going to color all of these boxes, or all the cells in this box. I do not like the white, gray, and black color, so I'm going to try these. I don't know how well it's going to work though. 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that's going to be 1. It's going to be 2. This one is 5. That one is 4. Okay, that's 9, 8, and 6. Puts this one as 7. I think that's right. Yellows, browns, greens, peach, maroons, reds, and pinks. Okay. All right, so then I can do, let's see, green can't go here or here, so we can put the greens there, but this one would see that, which sees that. So this is not it. This is going to be the green. Okay, that's good. Can we do purple? No, not yet. You can do purple here, though. Okay, how about blue? Okay, so blue cannot go there. Can't go here or here, so this is going to be blue. Okay. Then light blue would be in these. Do we have yellow? Yellow is in one of 3. Okay, how about brown? Brown can't go here or there, so the brown's going to be like that. Of this one, those 3 are done. Okay, so yellow, pink, purple. Okay, so purples are going to be up there. All right, what do we need? We have these 3. So this is going to be 7, 8, 9. Okay. This one cannot be purple, so it's not 9. Okay. So purple will be up here as well. Okay, so 7, 8, 9. So then it puts this one as yellow and pink, and we can place those. So that's going to be pink, and then this will be yellow. So that's yellow, that's pink. Okay, which puts this as the little peachy color. So then this is the red, blue, green, which is the 1, 2, 3. Okay, so then this one cannot be green, which is 2. So this is going to be 1, 3. Okay. And then that is 7 and 8. All right, let's see what else we can do here. So now the pinks are going to go down there. Oh, I got the peaches. So then the peaches will be here. But that peach sees that and it can't be. So this is not it, which forces this to be peach. So then that is now the purple. So that is no longer purple. That's brown. So I can remove the brown from there as well. That's a purple sky blue there. All right, so what do we need here? So forces this one to be red. That's 1. Delete that, and that's 1 as well. So delete the 1s from there. Green, blue, pair, which, oh, we can solve this square. It's dark blue, so that's going to be the 3. Okay, I'm not loving these colors, but it's at least more. I like it better than the gray since on the front page of the colors, because this is the same color as the 2-digit. All right. So we have 6 digits here, so we know that this is going to be yellow, green, and not brown, blue. Okay, so what else do we see? Pink. Sorry. Oh my goodness, that was not the best. Okay, so we don't know if this one is a 2 or if it's a 3. Or, I'm sorry, if it's a 2 or if it's a 4. So if it's a 4, then we know that this is green and that these will both be green because the C is yellow and pink. But we don't know. It could be here. It could just be a 2. And then this one could be a 2. So we can't make too big of a guess on that. So we got peach here. Peach is going to be down there, but it can't be there. So peach is going to be one of these two. So that's the 4. Okay, then we have, what else do we have? Blue, dark blue. This blue is going to go here. One of these 3. And brown. But we know that this one cannot be brown. So I'm going to put the, actually I can place the brown here. Because if this was brown, it would see that, which sees that. So this is brown. That is no, this is no longer brown. So that's not brown. This is going to be purple. Forces this to be brown. And then browns are going to be here. And then the sky blue is going to be there. But again, we don't know. Because if this it's a 4, then we know this is not blue because this is the blue. Then that would be blue. Okay. Can we do pink? So we got the peach here and there. So then the peach goes down to these 2. That's a peach, then so is that. All right. Bam, bam. So we have bam and bam. Okay. I can do blues here. If this is blue, so is that, and that works. And if this is blue, so is that, and that works as well. So then this is now blue, pink, purple. So this is, okay, so this has to be the dark blue because of that one sees it. So then we're gonna go, that's a 3, which puts the 3s here. Dark, okay. Oh, okay, so that's sky blue and purple, and can't be sky blue, so this is going to be the purple, which solves that for us. And then this is going to be purple as well. So then I can pencil mark the purples here. Is that right? Yes, because purple, purple, and then purple. Yeah, so it's those 2. Okay, that's fine. All right. So we need red and red, peach, and sky. Red, sky, red, peach, and sky. Okay. And that sees red and peach. So this is not red. So then this is the sky blue. So we got that. I can remove that and remove that. Okay, there we go. Which puts the sky blue here and here. Oh, okay, so that's a purple sky there. Purple sky pair. Lovely stuff. This is a nice blue little X-wing, which forces the blue to be in one of these two, which that works, and then this works. Okay. Then I can do pinks like that. Okay. These colors are going crazy. Do we know where purple is already in there? Brown is already, dark blue is in one of those two. So red, do we know where green is in the column? Here or here, not great. Blue is there. Peach cannot go here, so it's in one of these three. Yellow's there. Pink is in all the remaining. Brown is there, sky blue is there, and purple is there. Okay. Wait, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's peach blue. So this is green pink. This is getting confusing. Big time confusing. I could do the dark blues there. Okay, and if it's a 4, then it has to go here. Actually, it has to go here no matter what. Because if it's a 2, it can't go here and then on a match. And then if it's a 4, it couldn't go here. So this is the dark blue. So then we can put the dark blue there, not a dark blue. So then that's not a dark blue. This is the dark blue. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Dark blues are done. Don't know what number they are yet, but we'll figure that out. I'm going to imagine that all 9 of these are given digits. Possibly not the 5. Okay. Okay, so I can do pinks here. Bam, 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 already done. What about green? Green here and here. So then green is there. Dark blue and red. Red and red. So then these are all the reds. And then yellow. Yellow is up here. I don't know if that's all the colors though. I'm going to undo all of that because that looks messy, more messy than it is helpful. Oh, this is purple. There we go. So it's not a 9. That's going to be the purple. And that is the blue, the sky blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So sky blue and purple are done, as well as dark blue. Can we do anything else with that? I don't think so at the moment. But we're getting there. Oh, browns are going to be here, which puts the browns here. Little X-wing on the browns. So this and this would be the same. I think. Well, if they're browns, they could be different colors. But if they're browns, so that means that would be a 5. So it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Interesting. Okay, so this is pink and yellow. So if it's a 4, which I'm increasingly not believing is a 4, this would have to be green. All right, so the peaches have to go here. So this is pink, peach, and green. Yeah, it looks like pink, peach, and green. So that's green, so it's this. So that's the peaches. So then peaches are going to go there. Okay. In this column, we have those, brown. So we have red and so pink is going to go here. So we have red, peach, pink, and brown. It's not ideal. Green is in 3 spots over here. Yellow is in 3 spots as well. All right, so we have green there, green here. So it would be bam, bam, bam. So let's look at that. So if it's a 4, that would work. If it's a 2, it would not work. Interesting. Okay. All right. How many? 2, 4. I got 4. That's not good. Wait, reds and reds. Oh my goodness. So reds are going to be here. But if that's a red, this one cannot be a red. So this one is a red. There we go. So that's a red, red. So then I can do reds here. And reds are in 3 spots. Okay. So then I got greens in 2. There we go. Oh. 1, 2, 3. So then yellow goes up here. Nice. So I think that's 2. Yeah, that's 4 colors there. Good. So then yellow is, oh, like that. Oh, that's not brown. So that is brown. Okay. So that's pink, yellow, peach. Yellow is now has to go here. So this is going to be the pink. I think. So that's not pink. So that's not yellow. That's no longer peach. And then that's no longer green. So this is going to be green. And then that's going to be peach. So I can delete this peach, place the peach there. Okay, so then I can, so this is going to be yellow. I can move that yellow. Oh, I can move this green. Okay, that's a center, so that's fine. That doesn't affect anything else. What are we missing here? Green? Yellow, green pair, looks like it. And then this becomes a red peach. Okay, all right, so it looks to me like this has to be a 2 because red peach, this is not red or peach. So it's going to be a 2. So I know that this one can no longer be a pink because this has to be yellow-green. So it's a yellow-green pair, but that sees yellow, so this is going to be green. So that's going to be green. It cannot be green. This can no longer be peach. Okay, so those are greens together. So this is now going to be a red because it sees that peach. Okay, so delete that peach, delete that red. That peach is now gone, which places that one there. This is going to be a yellow. That's going to be green. It's going to be yellow. Brown little X-wing. And then this is those three. This is going to be, what color am I missing? So this row has purple, green, brown, peach. Yeah. Oh, this is pink. Okay. And then this row, okay, so this is going to be a red. That is now brown. So that's brown. And then this is going to be, what's the last color? Pink. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, all right. So now browns should be 5s. If they're 5s, if this is a 5, then that's gonna fog's gonna disappear. Yes. All right. Goodness gracious. Okay. So then I have to select those. Those are now 9s. Sky blues are gonna be blue. Those are greens. Peaches are 3. Pink is 1. And yellow is 8. And then 6 is are purples. So then dark blues are 2s. Woohoo! Oh boy, that was fun. That was a lot of fun. Oh my goodness, look at all that color. Look at all that color. Good stuff. Lovely.